Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on our reading. Now go ahead and go over to your calendar, and we are in the last week of the month. So today is Monday, August 31st. Now let's go ahead and look at the description. So it says, write on reader holes, chapter 7, Stanley and Zero make a deal, and we're looking at pages 39 to 41. So let's go ahead and go down, and this is chapter 7. This is the title of the story, Stanley and Zero make a deal. Now, I will go ahead and read the story to you. Make sure we are following along and paying close attention. I will begin. Mr. Sir was very mad at Stanley. Mr. Sir's face was swollen half the size of a cantaloupe. A boy from a different tent asked, Mr. Sir, what happened to his face? Mr. Sir was so mad he hit the boy. Stanley kept quiet. Mr. Sir was mad. Mr. Sir punished Stanley. He did not refill his water canteen. Instead of putting the water in the canteen, Mr. Sir poured it into the ground. The boys decided to help each other. Mr. Sir was mad. Mr. Sir did not fill Stanley's canteen for many days. Mr. Pendanski gave Stanley extra water because he knew Stanley was not getting enough. Stanley learned to drink just a little water every day. One day, Mr. Sir started filling Stanley's canteen with water again. That made Stanley suspicious. Stanley was afraid. Mr. Sir had put poison in his water, so he did not drink it. Mr. Sir was mad. When they were not busy digging holes, Stanley taught Zero to read and write. Zero worked hard to learn to read and write. Zero could write all the letters of the alphabet. Now let's go ahead and complete the sentences. Now, Mr. Sir was mad, or Mr. Sir was happy. Go ahead and circle your answer, boys and girls. Let's look at the next one. Pendanski decided to help each other, or the boys decided to help each other. Let's look at the next question. Mr. Sir had put dirt in his water, so he did not drink it, or Mr. Sir had put poison in his water, so he did not drink it. Now make sure to complete those questions, boys and girls. Whenever you guys are done, please have your parents send us a picture or upload it on Teams. Thank you for paying close attention.